Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man. As I do so well. Wasn't nothing like that. Man, it wasn't nothing like that first time. She was in my math class. Long hair, brown skin with the fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a...
What's up people, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we shot something for YouTube, but here we go again. Hope everyone's having an amazing 2026. I hope तुम सब मस्ती कर रहे हो जैसे मैं मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. Thank you for asking. Chirag is doing good. Life is good. But it's been a while since I shot something. After Switzerland, I just couldn't match that content. Skydiving. Fuck. Life changing. Yes, I know. Swiss winter. Amazing again. But bro, I went all out for the video, the video before this, and I couldn't shoot anything after that because I was like, oh, I can't match that. But you know what? I don't have to create perfection. I just have to create. So this is me creating another daily vlog where I will show you around my day, and then I'm just gonna shoot something about my recent pickups also. So all my recent fashion pickups, my tech pickups, and just the things I got in the span of 2 months in Switzerland and after that. So yeah, alright, I'll see you later, and hope you like my new coffee bar because you know what, I'm a barista now, guys. I'm a barista. Yeah, that's the vibes. I'll see you all around my day. Ciao. It's breakfast time, you all. Brekkie karenge. But I'm losing weight. My cut has been started. I've lost the first का वो जो temporary water weight होता है ना, जो फटाफट निकलता है, वो गया 2 किलो कम. Abs आएगी अब. Abs. रूपा जी क्या पी रहे हो? चाय पी रहे हो? अभी कॉफी पी थी, पकड़ लिया मैंने. इनके लिए अभी कॉफी बनाई थी.
भाई ने कॉफी पिलाई, सुबह सारे काम हो गए भाई.
मेरे को लगा इनको आज मैं बदल दूंगा, कॉफी मैन बनाऊंगा. कॉफी पी के ऐसे करे वो मजा आ गया. अब चाय पी रहे हैं छुप के. ओके, ब्रेकफास्ट. आई एम कंफ्यूज मैं क्या बनाऊं बिकॉज आई नीड मैक्सिमम प्रोटीन एंड I don't know, I want to eat something sweet also. So I think कुछ idea. Yogurt bowl. हेलो YouTube चल रहा है, इसमें चलेगा सब कुछ भाई. आसपास इंस्टा पे होता है ना कि पीछे कुछ ना हो, क्लीन. YouTube पे सब चलता है भाई. ये सारे मेरे को समझते हैं क्यों. एपिगामिया 50 grams पूरा डाल दूंगा इसको अंदर. शाबाश. Okay, so the entire epigamia ka packet has been emptied in the bowl, and now we're gonna add some stevia, and we will add cinnamon. Let's see, कितना stevia is too much stevia. पूरा डाल दूंगा, पहाड़ पूरा. शाबाश, मीठा खाएंगे आज. And then some cinnamon. I love dalchini, man. It's banging. Now we'll mix this up. Okay. Ready? Now we will add blueberries, and I use frozen blueberries instead of the refrigerated ones because it almost tastes like ice, and I love ice, so why the fuck not, right? Okay, GG. एक साइड पे देखो मैंने ये blueberries डाल दिया, इस साइड पे मैं डालूंगा bananas, and then ऊपर से थोड़ा muesli डालूंगा. Banana time, guys. तो मैं काट के डाल रहा हूँ, तो मैं दिखाता हूँ अभी. Hold on. Okay, guys, बनाना भी डल चुके हैं. So one इस पहले यहाँ पे पूरा yogurt, then ऊपर banana and blueberry. To make things interesting, we will add some chocolate muesli, and not the high protein muesli or whatever bullshit. Okay, this is like straight up like chocolatey and yummy. Let's see. कम नहीं, पूरी और डालो. Okay, GG, looks beautiful. अब थोड़ी बदमाशी शुरू करते हैं, and थोड़ा Hershey's chocolate syrup because स्वीट टूथ. कितना डालू ये मेरे को ये नहीं पता, बस डालते हैं व्यू को. नाइस. बहुत ज़्यादा है. हवाबाजी कर दी ना वीडियो के चक्कर में तुम्हारे लिए. इतना ज़्यादा थोड़ी खाना होता है. शिट यार, ही नहीं चलता है, खा लेते. लेट्स फ्यूल इट अप. दिस इज माय ब्रेकफास्ट for the day. 50 grams protein easily. Banana में भी शायद 1-2 होता है ग्राम, तो 52 grams protein. And muesli में भी कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, I'm assuming. So 52 plus grams protein, and this is it. This is what we eat. to get big and stay lean and be a machine. Okay, I'm just gonna eat this up, watch some YouTube and अब तो मैं मिलता हूँ पता नहीं या तो जिम के लिए या पहले वो जब शूट करेंगे इसी तरह let's see.
Hey, you ain't flying big as spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't shedding down pearls. Hey, you ain't.
Okay guys, even though it's been a while since I woke up, I still feel very tired and sleepy. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something about it. I'll show you. Okay. So we'll take this big bowl, fill it up with water and ice, and we will do an ice dunk. This shit should wake me up. Okay, I've been doing this since like 10-12 din, 10-12 days, and it's really working. Okay, so I mostly do it like alternate days, not every day, because ऐसे भूल जाता हूँ. But bro, like my skin feels so much nicer after this, and I feel एकदम widely awake. So take a deep breath and we go in. Cool, man, cool stuff. I'll go in a couple of more times, but yeah, let's see. How does my skin? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Paps are here.
Paps are here, bro. Paps are here.
What the fuck, man? Too many paps.
Too many paps. I was here week as a corporate slave. Corporate weapon. Guys, this is Sayyam, one of my boys from Delhi, who is also working in Bombay, Bangalore, Malaysia, Singapore. Mr. Worldwide, but he's a corporate slave. Corporate weapon, and he was in Mumbai. इसकी फ्लाइट है शाम की, तो ये चिल करने आया है.
चिराग ज़्यादा मजे करा दे तो शायद एक्सटेंड करा लो.
नहीं आज मेरा शूटिंग डे है भाई. आज कुछ
तो मेरे को मजे अभी थोड़ी करने हैं, रात को करने हैं.
रात को कर सकते हैं. क्या है, सैटरडे नाइट है. नंदिनी भी आ रही है अभी.
हाँ, थोड़ी देर में.
ऑलराइट, आजा भाई, तू भी आजा.
What is this?
Go back.
My corporate.
Hi, sir.
That is the amenity. What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you all the recent purchases I did in the last 1.5 months. Clothing, fashion, tech, everything, okay? And I have sent my friends inside my room so I can shoot this part. So, yeah, enjoy. Okay, number one are these Balenciagas Triple S. I got them from Zurich, and my beautiful sneakers. Just look at this. The day I got them is the day I wore them. So you can see it's really dirty. But yeah, it's a good sneaker. I've been wearing it every day. It's like my daily beater at this point. Guys, another thing you should know about me is that I love buying sunglasses. Buying sunglasses is like peak happiness for me, and this is another purchase I did. These Gucci sunglasses.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic.
Next up are these cardboard vintage jackets. This is what I got from a thrift store again in Zurich, and Barbour is in trend. So this is honestly like a great piece, and it fits me so well. There's multiple ways I can style them. It's always nice to own a Barbour jacket, and this is like a timeless classic. So this will never go out of style.
Now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my own.
Guys, I also got this beautiful jacket from a brand called Baghari Bodega, and the pinstripes. If you don't, 2026 is gonna be all about stripes. You can quote me on that. Pinstripes, striped pants, striped jackets, striped shirts, everything horizontal, vertical. Trust me. When it comes to fashion, I got you. And this is another jacket, and the silhouette of the jacket is insane. It's so beautiful. The textures, the quality. Man, these Indian homegrown brands are doing justice to fashion at the moment, and not even kidding. The extended collar on this is also so fucking pretty, man. Guys, I also got this man purse from Zara, and got from Steel again, and cheap bag, does the job, and very convenient, holds every fucking thing, and I've been carrying this every day ever since I got it.
Trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
This is another jacket I got from my dear friend Iggy Swan, and she started her own label and she sent me this jacket, and this is literally a masterpiece. Iggy, you are doing insane, man. What are you doing? This is heavy leather jacket with this fireman buttons, durable, insane quality, insane. This is heavy. I'm not sure when I get to wear this in Mumbai, but probably when I'm traveling here or there, or maybe at some festival, then this is the perfect stapling piece. The collars on this, wow, look at this. But it's so heavy, the hanger can't hold this. Hanger nahi hold kar payega isko, but it's heavy. It's heavy and it's insane quality.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no.
Okay, finally this is the last jacket in this haul. It's from another homegrown brand. It's called Divine Threads. And this jacket is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, it's so comfortable, it's so breathable. It's insane quality as well. Again, these homegrown brands are killing it. This is how it looks. Okay, and lastly, this is my favorite fashion pickup 2025. Literally the entire year. So I got these Celine suede boots. Fuck, man. I really wanna kiss them. They are so beautiful. Just look at them, the details. And I got them for a steal, okay? I did not spend like a big buck also. And I would rather spend money on shoes than buying clothes, because with the nature of my work, I don't get to repeat outfits a lot. So spending money on shoes sounds wise to me. Yeah, this is the shoe. This is how I will style them. And yeah, that's it for fashion. Okay, that's it for fashion, guys. And I also got the iPhone 17 Pro Max 512 GB. Abhi bhi dard ho raha hai meko idhar, but yeah, I had to buy. I had the iPhone 14, so this was a big upgrade for me. And yeah, insane camera. I've been shooting a lot of content from this recently, and I just fucking love it. I got the silver color. According to me, this was the best color in the entire series. Orange kaun kharidega? Cheap. And blue se bhi I'm bored. My 14 was blue, my 11 was blue. And I usually upgrade like every 2 years, but this time I upgraded after 3 years. So this is it. Okay, guys, and that's all about it. That was my recent pickups I got. And yeah, I'm done shooting this, and I'll see you soon. What are people doing? Yes, bye. I'm done.
Hello. You're done? Can you please make me coffee?
Sorry for keep you waiting. And
I'm
you
also
too.
done with you. Please stop recording me against my will. Please stop this. भैया साइड चल.
तू निकल, चल. तेरा हो गया. चल. चल, निकल. Get out!
ओए, आवाज नीचे करके बात कर. कैमरा मेरे से बात कर. I'm wearing being human, guys.
कम बोला कर, कम.
I'm wearing being human.
तू गई क्यों नहीं अभी तक? ये जब देखो मारती रहती है, गाइस. ये मुझे हरास करती रहती है पूरे टाइम. मोलेस्ट करती है मेरे को. हाँ.
Guys, I didn't.
हाँ, क्या नहीं मारा तूने मेरे को? जब देखो मारती पीटती रहती है. Shish, guys, I'm making another coffee, but not for me. I'm done with my calorie intake for the day, but I'm making it for Sayyam. Caffeine intake, sorry. Caffeine intake. Caffeine, not calorie. Caffeine. I've already had enough caffeine. ओए देखो कौन सा कैरमल वनीला.
Caramel vanilla mixing.
Yeah.
Salted caramel vanilla. Guys, officially a home barista takeaway cup में coffee बन रही है अब.
It's the party cups.
Party cups.
No more alcohol, just coffee.
Making a salted caramel. Salted caramel. Salted caramel vanilla. कम बोला कर यार, तू मेरा दिमाग खराब कर, बीपी हाई कर देती है मेरा.
Hi, what are you making? Hi, I'm making a caramel.
कहाँ बैठा हूँ? किससे बात? कंट्रोल उदय, कंट्रोल.
जब तू कैफे खोलेगा हम लिखेंगे चिराग सिग्नेचर डिश इज अ कैरामेला.
ओए इधर आ.
Talk to me properly.
इधर आओ.
Don't talk to me like this.
इसको जाओ किचन में मिक्स कर कराओ, उनको दे देना सेठ जी को, ठीक है?
चल कूद कर.
अच्छा प्लीज.
चल कूद कर.
प्लीज ना, मैं तेरा सर दबाऊंगा.
बोल प्लीज बोल.
प्लीज तेरा सर दबाऊंगा फिर 5 मिनट. देखो अंदर भेजा है मिक्स करने के लिए, खुद पी रही है.
You can take the first sir.
Thank you.
Ladies first.
फिर तू क्या पी रही है फिर? ला किसी लड़की को ढूंढता हूँ.
Shit यार, you're
मैंने
so
बोला.
funny. Shit dude. Oh my god guys, are you laughing?
Let me also taste.
उसकी है bro second.
अरे बनाई तो मैंने है ना.
Ladies first यार.
तू लेडी.
मिस्टर फ्रूटी, मिस्टर
आ गई
फ्रूटी।
अपनी वे।
मैं आ जाऊँ क्या अपनी पर?
Good shit ना?
ये
Ratio the color.
बाजी आप भी ट्राई करो।
हाँ ये पीना पड़ेगा आपको। रूपा जी पियो। Oh fuck. Nice.
ब्रो
है ना? चीज है ना ये?
क्रेजी
चीज है चीज। ये ले।
क्या चीज है?
क्या? नहीं मैं करती हूँ। गाइस तुम गेस नहीं कर सकते मैं क्या चीज खा रही हूँ।
मैं क्या
तुम गेस नहीं कर सकते मैं क्या
खा रही
चीज
हूँ।
खा रही हूँ।
चल तेरा हो गया आज का, मैं तेरे को और नहीं झेल सकता।
पहले कॉफी तो बना दे।
क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? मेरे पैर दबाओ 5 मिनट, मेरा सर दबाओ 5 मिनट।
बाय ब्रो बाय।
बाय।
इतनी अच्छी
चाओ।
यार
जाओ, मेरे को जिम भी जाना है। जाओ
जा ही रही हूँ मैं।
जाओ।
जा रही हूँ।
Long tiring day guys, long tiring day, long Saturday. It was a shoot day and I shot so much content. Of course most of it was off camera. And yeah, so this vlog and then 2-3 content pieces for Instagram because अब मैं हो गया bro 2026 बताया मैंने broadcast channel में भी 2-4 बार Insta पे that I'm gonna kill it भाई। I'm gonna hustle again like I used to back in 2024, 2023. Last year was all about comfort zone. This year getting out of it and shooting, waking up, meeting timelines. So off camera today I did shoot 2 or 3 more content pieces and then I was editing also. Then I edited one like Instagram video, coffee bar setup video. तुम देख ही लिया होगा अब तक Insta पे आ चुका होगा। Long day and my friends have gone. I'm alone and I wanna go to the gym, but there's some things you gotta do even when you are tired. So I will. I have to go to the gym and it's an active cardio day, not working out. कोई strength training नहीं करनी मेरे को, but आलस आ रहा है भाई, आलस। सुबह से घर पे लेटा हुआ शूट करी जा रहा हूँ, क्या करूँ, सो जाऊँ क्या?
मेरी पिक्चर लगा रहा है।
व्लॉगिंग चल रही है, व्लॉगिंग। आप आ जाओ, मैं ही आता रहा हूँ हमेशा दिल्ली। हर महीने दिल्ली बुला लेते हो। अब मैं बॉम्बे का हो गया हूँ।
आने के लिए कहती हूँ तो तू कहते मैं आ रहा हूँ।
मुंबई बॉय हूँ मैं, मुंबई बॉय।
नो दिल्ली बॉय।
Shawty a baddie, she belong to me. She got a fatty, I'm paying the lease. We going to Greece. We having sex on the boat on the beach. Took off the top so you know it is me. She like my dog, my steez. Beautiful, different little species. Fast, she look like my speed. Panoramic with a man in my row. Himalayan cost a quarter for sure. Deal crack it with the white on her toe. Mickey Moto pearls, they come out the ocean. Picking up rest like they grow off of trees. Spoiling them, but say please. Order her, the APs. Before her, she ain't leaves. Clover them, Van Cleef. I order by the threes. Reported her overseas. We on the water, by the beach. Through the Monaco, through the Portugal. On the roller coaster, steady. Coming home close, baby. Keep it warm and moist, ooh. I show you how to live. Put you down, I can show you how to count it. Barely talk, but she give me all kind of look. For the cloud, I can show you how to make it flip. I pull up a pop, I show them what it is. Bad bitches, they already know I'm him. Bad bitch with the kick by the breaker hill. Grey digger, I'm digging out of the real. Belong to me. She got a fatty, I'm paying the lease. Bought in the jet and we going to Greece. We having sex on the boat on the beach. Took off the top so you know it is me. She like my dog, my steez. Beautiful, different little species. Fast, she look like my speed. Panoramic with a man in my row. Himalayan cost a quarter for sure. Deal crack it with the white on her toe. Mickey Moto pearls, they come out the ocean. Picking up rest like they grow off of trees. Spoiling them, but say please. Order her, the APs. Before her, she ain't leaves. Her color star, ruby. I'm dressing her, new dreams. A Tesla, few G's. We sexual, she won't leave. Bossing her up, bought a Bentley, been take her, then bought a boutique. I put her up, she got bags in the cut, it ain't nothing she need. Bad little teen, she my dramatic queen. Pop out and smash the scene. She got on edits to me. I watch you, I seen you grow. From a princess to a queen. She rockin' my team. She spoilin', she livin' the dream. Shawty a baddie, she belong to me. She got a fatty, I'm paying the lease. Bought in the jet and we going to Greece. We having sex on the boat on the beach. Took off the top so you know it is me. She like my dog, my steez. Beautiful, different little species. Fast, she look like my speed. Panoramic with a man in my row. Himalayan cost a quarter for sure. Deal crack it with the white on her toe. Mickey Moto pearls, they come out the ocean. Making her rest like they grow out of trees. Spoiling her, say please. Order her, the APs. Before her, she ain't least.
Okay, what's up guys? So कल नहीं गया मैं जिम बट ठीक है भाई like आज चला गया नहीं गया कल I was tired और every day I have to push myself also one day at a time and we win and I woke up with 1 kg नहीं half kg down again so रात को just because I couldn't go to the gym and I was too tired and I slept what I did was I skipped my carbohydrates for the dinner basically and I just ate lean protein that's it then I slept so I had like 400 calories less than auto what I would have had 1 second guys yeah and I slept but then again subah utha jaldi woke up really early because I slept at 11:30 last night on a Saturday night imagine on a Saturday night I was at home I didn't go out which I usually do I always go out on Saturdays and I tend to stay home every day for the rest of the week and not go out and treat myself but yes tonight we shall go out for dinner but I think this is it for this vlog and बहुत लंबा हो रहा है इतना लंबा भी नहीं करना चाहिए but yeah that's it I did abs and I did some cardio and another news what I was gonna tell you so this is Sanket's car okay I've already told that on Instagram but I'm not sure if the YouTube family also knows this but this is my flatmate's car Sanket's car and he's in Bali right now and Mumbai में पर गाड़ी नहीं है but any day now any day से मेरा मतलब है आज या कल मेरी गाड़ी आ रही है and then in the next vlog I'll have my own car which I really need because I miss my Gedis bhai I miss my Gedis I'm a Delhi boy through and through peak Delhi boy and I'm repping Delhi in Mumbai so I need my DL number ka gaadi and I want to do some Gedis bro with the homies here but yeah that's it for today please like subscribe and share you know I love you all hope you had fun with this video it's kind of like a filler video I can't match the Switzerland wala video I told you but yeah this is it and I'll see you later please suggest me topics for the next video as well just like we did the recent pickups in this one you know I will listen to you right I read all the comments and yeah chalo bye ciao all yaap ho gaya
Y'all in February, it's getting hard to put a price on a show. Can't even pick an amount now. If a nigga really try to jam me, get jammed first like the countdown.